Good morning everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video mga kasawsaw, I really wanted to share with you about what really happened. What happened? Where is Nicole Bodol? And of course, to those Patlin lovers. And of course, shout out to those all seniors who are really waiting for Patlin lovers. And since how many months already guys, wala po tayong update Patlin sa Patlin lovers mga kasawsaw. And of course I was really upset also mga kasawsaw dahil nga talagang maraming nagsasabi na nasaan na nasaan na si Patrick Bolton, and of course where is our own Nicole Bodol Hipon. So nakita naman natin mga kasawsaw na kakagaling lang ng Hong Kong ni Nicole Bodol, and of course maganda rin yung mga yung teleserye na Black Rider, at masaya na